Oh, says out of his smart winner pass to begin. And moving a party outside Dramatis Persona, Ultimate Paris Brothers Song Flying G Camry. And South Apo is the early trailer. As our leader, that's smart winner by about 2.5 lengths. Ultimate Paris in second, Brothers Song alongside Dramatis Persona, Flying G and Pippen in 6, Camry and South Apo is still racing in the Zarat still is smart winner by about 3 lengths. Ultimate Paris still in second, Brothers Song in third, Dramatis Persona, Camry, Flying GM, South Apo. Very smart winner still in front by about 6 lengths. Ultimate Paris, Brothers Song, Camry, Dramatis Persona, Flying GM, South Apo. Very smart winner still in front by about 6 lengths. Ultimate Paris still in second, Camry on the outside, Brothers Song. A smart winner still in front. And in second now is Ultimate Paris as they come down at the last of it. And that's still is smart winner by about 6 lengths. Ultimate Paris, Camry on the outside. A smart winner, Ultimate Paris, Camry, Dramatis Persona, Brothers Song. And nearing the finish line, it's number 4 is smart winner. Ultimate Paris, Camry, Flying G. Then comes Dramatis Persona, Brothers Song, South Apo.
For your race number 5, Bayang Karerista, our unofficial winner, numero 4, Smart Winner, from gate to wire nga po yan, banderang tapos, Mase Segundo, numero 2, Ultimate Paris, Tercero, numero 3, Camry, and for your quartet, 7 horse, Flying